Perfect.
Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, Geeking Out. Project number 30, UNIHIKER K10, Mk08.
Hiker here, cable and computer for cable, and this here battery here, expressive here, card here, this light here, camera here, button here and here, this and this, the sensor or this, programming or the battery here, battery too, so it's good. Screen here and sensor here, temperature, humidity, light here, movement here, back and forth, mic, speaker, so perfect. Computer and programming here, Mindplus here, now, Python here too, Arduino, so to programming, so perfect here, so good. UNIHIKER K2 is simple here, expressive here, cable and this, button and button, the battery or battery here and cable here, so perfect. Battery here, switch and switch, this the memory here and here, so it's good. Temperature, humidity here, the screen here, camera here, speaker and Mindplus here for programming here, Python, Arduino programming, so it's to the programming, so perfect.
DF Robot, UNIHIKER K10.
Connect here and see here. Now this one here, temperature, humidity here. Now here and here the here camera here, like here the camera, so perfect here, so good.
UNIHIKER K10. UNIHIKER K10 is an AI learning device designed for education, serving as STEM AI kit and TinyML education kit for teens. It integrates a 2.8-inch color screen, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a camera, microphone, speaker, RGB light, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, light sensor, and accelerometer. Featuring edge connectors and gravity I/O interfaces, it enables the connection and control of various digital, analog, I2C, and UART sensors and actuators, making it perfect for IoT programming for beginners. With its rich onboard resources, the UNIHIKER K10 eliminates the need for additional devices during learning and project development. It supports sensor control, IoT applications, and AI projects such as face detection and offline voice recognition, all in one compact device. Core MCU Module, ESP32S3N16R8. Processor, Stensar Registered Trademark LX7. Dual Core 32-bit up to 240 MHz. SRAM, 512 KB. ROM, 384 KB. Flash, 16 MB. PSRAM, 8 MB. RTC SRAM, 16 KB. Wi-Fi specification, IEEE 802.11b/g/n. Frequency, 2.4 G. Bandwidth, 20 MHz, 40 MHz. Bluetooth specification, Bluetooth 5, Bluetooth Mesh. Frequency, 125 kilobytes per second, 500 kilobytes per second, 1 Mbps, 2 Mbps. Onboard component. Temperature and humidity sensor, AHT20. Ambient light sensor, LTR303ALS. Triaxial acceleration sensor, SC7820H. Display 2.8 inch, 240x320, colored, LCD, ILI9341. Camera 2MP, 80° FOV, GC2145. A, B, RST boot button A, B, RST boot button. MEMS mic, MEMS mic X2. Speaker power, 2W. WS2812 RGB LED WS2812 RGB LED X3. Interface. Onboard interface USB-C power/program upload interface. 2-pin PH2.0 battery. 3-pin PH2.0 full function GPIO X2. 4-pin PH2.0 I2C. Self-ejecting TF card slot. Edge connector full function GPIO X2. I2C X1. Digital IO X15. Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. Patreon. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. TikTok.